What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the Huawei P50 and P50 Pro production have already started, but Huawei P50 Pro Plus may be postponed. Currently, Huawei is faced the shortage of components for assembly, including the further yet to be announced flagship smartphones, Huawei P50, P50 Pro and Huawei P50 Pro Plus. However, the Chinese tech giant has yet to surrender under the pressure of the sanctions and other factors and continues to overcome difficulties. And today, we are going to discuss this in detail. Please watch the full video content. A fresh message from a Chinese informant allows us to hope for an early announcement of the Huawei P50 and Huawei P50 Pro. According to the source, Huawei has already started mass production of the Huawei P50 and P50 Pro models, but the oldest model in the lineup, Huawei P50 Pro Plus, may be delayed even more due to the same shortage of components. Note that the official debut of the Huawei P50 has been postponed several times and is now expected only in a month and a half. On June 17, a new message about the start of the mass production of the Huawei P50 and P50 Pro fits well into this scenario. After the start of production, Huawei can bring new items to the market within a month or two. On the other hand, Huawei P50 showed up in all its glory, thanks to manufacturer of cases. The official debut is expected only in a month and a half, June 17. Hotly anticipated by Huawei fans, the Huawei P50 series of flagships is preparing for release, and information on the network continues to accumulate. This time, the images of the base model Huawei P50 were shared by the thematic resource Gizmo China, which received them from the Chinese manufacturer of covers. The images once again confirm that the Huawei P50 is fundamentally different from its predecessors in design. The new images mostly match the renders based on blueprints created back in March by Steve Hammerstoffer, also known as OnLeaks. The main highlight will be the unusual layout of the main camera. 3 sensors along with a laser focusing module are housed inside the upper circular block, and the periscope zoom lens is located inside the lower circular block. The front camera is embedded in the top center of the screen. Interestingly, in the new images, the screen has curved edges, whereas Hammerstoffer reported the use of a flat display in the base model Huawei P50. The official debut of the Huawei P50 has been postponed several times and is now expected only in a month and half on June 17. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.